Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a product review for these controller grip covers by Tomsin for the MetaQuest 2 controllers. I'll be doing an unboxing and giving you my thoughts about them overall. I'll leave some links below where you can find them. Let's jump into this one. Alright, so here we have in this box the Tomsin VR grip covers, and they've squeezed them into this tiny box pretty well. I was actually pretty surprised at how small the box was. Here you can see them coming out here. We'll take everything out of the box first, and then we'll go from there. So there's our two grip covers. Here are extra wrist straps because the ones that are on there won't work anymore. And then what do we have here? Oh, it looks like just a fabric cover you could put on while you're playing, maybe. Interesting. I don't know if I'd use that or not. Could try it out though. Looks like those go around your ears too, and it would just make it a bit more comfortable while you're playing. These are pretty soft. That slides up and down nice on both of them. And let's take a look here at these. So we have a silicone cover that'll add some nice grip to it. It's got some grip bumps all along the side. This is for the left one, as you can see. There's your battery opening. Here's where you can attach the extra little string. Then here is your wrist strap that you can, not wrist strap, your hand strap, I guess, that you see you can have it around here. We'll put that on once we actually put them on the grips, or on the controllers there. Inside you can see, let's peel it back a little bit. This is going to go where the battery casing is on your actual controller. And yeah, we got some more finger grips there on this side where your hand is going to be around. And yeah, let's install these and then we'll go from there. So let's just take, yeah, sure, whatever. We'll take the right controller to install them. First, you need to remove this battery cover here, and you need to remove this strap just by lifting up like that. Now I'm going to take this right one here. I'm just going to slide this down if you want, so you can see, you can just peel that back a little bit. Just make sure that this cover on the inside is lined up with the battery cover placement, right? Because then that will just come down in here and slide into place. So there you can see your battery cover there opens and closes. It's got a thick silicone edge there that you can slide into place, and then you just need to fit into place the outer casing for the top. I'm just going to start with the front there, kind of work my way around. That fits in nice and snug. Then if you want to test it, you can just press the A button and you can see that the light is blinking right in the middle there. Just slightly there. There we go. And so you know that it's lined up. Good. This button comes through. Easy press, easy press. So now with this wrist strap, we want to be able to attach it around here. So I'll show you here. If you have it laid out flat like this, you're going to bring it up, pull this through, and then from here we're going to pull it down through. And with the silicone it makes it a little bit sticky, but that's good. That means it's not going to come loose on you. And then here you can just adjust it to the comfort that you would like. So there, it's a little bit loose on my hand still. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring this out of here, probably go up to there, and then you can string the excess further down through there so there's nothing really flapping around. Put my hand in there. That fits pretty good. I could have it a little bit more snug if I wanted to, but that's not really That's not really going anywhere. And then on the bottom here we can insert our wrist strap. Then you kind of have double protection going, right? You can use your wrist strap, and we'll tighten that up here a little bit. And you can have your side strap here. So there's low chance of this controller coming out of your hand or off your wrist, right? Because I can go like this, and it's not moving anywhere, which is actually kind of nice. You can kind of rest it, because sometimes beforehand I felt like I was gripping the controllers pretty strong, but that is going to take away from that for sure. Same process for this left controller here. Again, pop off the battery, pull the string up to get that off, bring this down, clipped into place. There we go, fully clipped into place. I knew something didn't quite feel fully in there. There we go. Press the X button here, slide things just, that's pretty good. Okay, lay this flat, bring it up and around. How many did I do on this one? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 all the way through. So we'll do that same idea here for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we'll attach this comfy wrist strap down the bottom here as well. There we go. So you can see easy access to those, easy access up here, nice comfort around. I didn't put that on. Comparing the two though, the original Oculus wrist strap is pretty thin. This one's a lot larger and softer. It's actually, it feels, you know, nice and soft. There's kind of a cushion to it almost. So I do like that. Alright, and there we go. And that was pretty easy to install those. And now let's go and test them out. I forgot to mention that there were also these lens covers as well in the box. I didn't take them out there, but I thought that was a nice touch. I didn't have any lens covers at the time, and so being able to have that saved me money buying a different type of lens cover. They're just silicone as well. They show left and right, as you can see, and they fit snugly right onto the lenses inside of the Oculus, and they honestly don't slide around at all. And yeah, kind of a nice little bonus touch for you. Alright, so I put these to the test. I used them for a few days here to really test them out, see how I liked them. I really like how these fit over the hand and how you can adjust them. I found that the controller really stayed on my hand, you know, without having to grip it hard like I did before. I like the comfort of this. This is softer than the other one. I know it's a small thing, but it is softer. I didn't notice any lag or anything with the grip being on compared to before. That was all the same. The battery cover comes off nice and easy, as I can't get it there, but it is snug enough that you're not worried about it opening up on you. So overall, yeah, overall the comfort's pretty good. I noticed, since it is all silicone, that my hand did sweat a little bit more than what it did normally with nothing on there at all. But the silicone does give good grip, I found, so that was nice. Compared to other ones, it is slightly more expensive than other ones, at least on Amazon Canada. I don't know about Amazon.com. It might be pretty comparable to some other ones that are full covers. There are many of them that just have kind of a new battery slot there with a little strap here, but they don't cover the rest of it. So for one that covers the whole thing, it is a decent price point. Would I recommend it? Yeah, I would recommend it. I find it comfy. I'm going to leave them on for sure. I'm not going to return them or anything like that. I'm going to keep them, and I will use them for sure. So if you're interested in finding them, I will link them below on Amazon.com and Amazon.ca, since I'm Canadian. If you have experience with these or any others that you'd like to suggest, please leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to hear from you with those. I did enjoy seeing the few extra kind of bonus things that came in the box as well. That lens cover was nice, and the little other things were a kind of a nice little touch, more expected than just receiving the controller grip. So that was a nice touch by the company as well. So make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.